We are back on a Friday. It's like a regularly scheduled program.
Yes.
Rolled into a bunch of other stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
It's good. It feels good to be back into our usual time slot.
Jared C. commented today and said that he missed us yesterday, or the day before, so Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
And Jared, we have not forgotten about What the Truck Wednesday, but we've just we've been exploring other things, have you seen? There's been a lot more videos going up.
Yeah.
So hang in there. We got some truck parts here for you today, guys. I'm Russell.
I'm Tom.
And we're the Nissan Parts CC guys.
Yes, two of them.
Two, yes. And there's some other people here too, but they don't come in the video, so we don't talk about them.
Yeah. They're just party fodder.
Did you guys see last week's video? The Nismo lift kit.
Mm-hmm.
We had part 1 and part 2. Come on.
I like that. That was a good video.
Link right here. You see it?
Yeah.
Floating. Boom. Magic. Go check it out if you're a Frontier owner. Now this does fit the D40 and D41. So if you're looking for a tiny lift, 1.5 inch, looks good, simple.
Levels it out. Makes the truck look like it's supposed to look.
I think it's great because it's easy to make a truck look too tall sometimes if you don't have the right tire combo. You don't have to change anything. You can keep the stock tires.
Yeah, if you don't have anything to prove, go with the 1.5 lift kit.
Let's hop into these parts. And the first thing that I want to talk about is a kit that you put together. Mm-hmm. Also available as individual components.
Yes.
But for the D21 KA24E two-wheel drive.
Yes. And this kit, I'm surprised that we haven't really sold these parts before.
Yeah.
We put it together as a kit just to make it easier to shop. It's just one click.
Yeah.
That way it'll save you time. And the motor mounts, left and right, they're identical. They are for two-wheel drive only. Mm-hmm. KA24, also Z24.
Okay.
Manual trans and automatic only on those front two mounts if you're buying them separately.
Yeah.
That rear mount is strictly for manual trans.
Okay.
So don't buy the kit if you have an automatic hard body.
Okay.
All right. Only if you got a manual, which I would hope is most of them by now.
Most people do, yeah.
So yeah, it's a kit. We put it together. I've got them sitting on the shelf ready to go and jump on them.
Yeah. Next up, staying with the D21, throwing in the WD21. Mm-hmm. We've got these little interior panel clips, kind of like a twisty bolt. Do you have these in your?
I do. Yeah, mine are a different color, but those are the ones.
Yours are blue, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are super cool. I know the newer Frontier, some of the later model Frontiers and stuff had a similar type of fastener that was used in the rear panels. Really common, so I'd be willing to bet some of y'all need these and don't know they're available.
Yeah, and those are for king cab only.
Yeah.
There's a little, Nissan calls it a finisher. Underneath those jump seats, there's a little plastic lid or cover, and that keeps that in place. And the WD21, it secures the jack cover.
Okay.
The plastic lid for the jack cover.
Nice. Defog condenser. Now, this is probably not something you're going to need for a newer vehicle quite yet.
Right.
But I didn't think I was going to be talking today about what fits an S13 and a Nissan ARIYA, but here we are.
Yeah, they have used that piece on almost everything since the dawn of rear window defoggers.
It's funny because when I was adding the photos to the website that you took, I was like, man, that's a little piece of old technology there. Simple old technology. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Mm-hmm. And when I looked up the fitments on this, I was really, really shocked to see the ARIYA on there.
Right.
And yeah, I mean, it fits the new Z car, it fits the Z34. It fits a host of cars. Like it's so many. Yeah,
so I'm going to keep it old school. If you have the defroster button on your dash, you push that button, the defroster light lights up, but nothing happens back there. First of all, you want to inspect the little bands that go across. But this part's cheap as chips, as they say in the UK. And it's a good way to, quick diag, I mean, if you're good with a meter, you don't have to buy this and you can figure your problem. But if you're like me, And you're like, okay, well, it's less than 15 bucks. I'll
just try it out. Probably needs to be replaced anyway.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Cheaper than a multimeter.
Yeah, that's true. Now, Tom has something really cool over here for you guys, but really quick, just because it got me, these parts got me thinking about another video we did 2 weeks ago.
These parts right here?
Those parts right there. We did a video covering some discontinued parts, some regenerated parts into the Nissan inventory that were gone for a while. Hit that link up there, go check it out if you're a JDM guy. You're gonna want to check that out. But Tom has some JDM parts here.
Yeah, so as you can see, these are windshield wiper arms, and these are for S15. This pair is already gone.
Yeah,
they're gonna go to Ireland.
Overseas.
So, Nikki, thank you for your order. We can get more, but it's gonna be kind of slow because one side is on back order. Very limited availability. Pricing is awesome. You just have to be patient.
Yeah, I love new wiper blades, man. Wiper blades they get torture tested. And they get
especially around here.
Get to looking like junk. And those springs can wear out. You ever get bad tension on your blades, and sometimes you're like, oh, these wiper blades suck, and it's actually the arm not putting enough tension on them.
Yeah, I think I need to get new arms for my van. It's 20-something years old. It's time, because I'm not getting a good clean swipe.
Yep. We got a giveaway for you guys this week, and it's a good one. Now, okay. Take up the whole frame there. These duffel bags are nice, and they're huge.
They're massive.
I actually ordered this one in as a sample with, the intention of doing a giveaway to see what the quality was on these. So if you guys are interested in these bags, we will have them available for purchase if you would like. But we're gonna be giving away this bag, plus we got a sweater, this wild splash print, here you go, have at it, and then the windbreaker, which these are cool. We've been selling a lot of these windbreakers. These are already up on the website. It's very nice feeling. It doesn't feel like plasticky. It's kind of got like a silky feel to it.
Yeah, it does.
But it's polyester, so. But yeah, what were you looking at on that?
I was actually giving it a sniff.
Oh, really?
It smells like my childhood.
Really?
Yeah.
A lot of times when we get shirts and things made,
books.
they smell strange, but feel the inside of this, how soft it is. It's comfy.
Oh yeah, it's like fleecy in there.
Yeah, super nice. I've washed mine 3 or 4 times now, and still the same. Hasn't worn down. All you gotta do, subscribe, like the video, comment. Tell us why you need this stuff. Tell us if you like this print. Tell us about your 240 or D21 or
your ARIYA.
Yeah. Please, if you got an ARIYA, comment and tell me.
Actually,
I'd love to know.
any Nissan.
Yeah.
Especially if it's a Versa.
Get in the comments. Tell us some stories. We don't want your one-word comments. Turbo.
Yeah, come on. First.
Tell us some stuff. Let us get to know you. Maybe we'll talk about you in a video.
Let us walk away from this video and the comments feeling that we know each other a little bit better.
A little bit better. Yeah, don't get too personal. We don't want it too much. But that's all you gotta do. And I've got a question for you, Tom, today. Do you know what the cheapest car in America is right now?
I do.
We're gonna show it to you. You probably know what it is. You can probably guess. But one thing that I want to share with you guys is what's the one thing that's gonna make them just so happy?
The one thing that's going to make them say, okay, yeah, that is cool. It's got a 5-speed.
5-speed manual. Y'all always complaining. I say y'all, I'm talking about you.
Specifically you.
Specifically you, the one watching this video right now.
Yelling at us.
So let's go check it out. Link up here. There'll be a link up there. Go check it out.